Hello and welcome to the 12th tutorial in the C++ programming series, and in this part we're going to be looking at the increment and decrement operators. The increment operator is a shortened equivalent of variable name plus equals, and decrement operator is a shortened equivalent of variable name minus equals. So let's just go ahead and open up our project and show you how to implement it. So let's just get rid of this for a moment. So the first one will be the increment, which is plus plus, and that is the equivalent of plus equals. And the next one will be minus minus, which is the equivalent of minus equals. So what we're going to do is create a variable, so int I, make it equal to 100, so pretty big. And we'll put it somewhere here. And we're going to do I plus plus, sorry, what I meant to put also was here 1. It's the equivalent of putting 1 at the end. So just minusing 1 or plusing 1. And if we just do std cout I std and line, now run it, we get 101 because it is the equivalent of saying I equals I plus 1. And now this one, so I minus minus, so it's 99 because it's the equivalent of saying I minus equals 1. So yeah, that for the most part is it, but there's a few things that you need to be aware of. So what you can do is put the minus minus or the plus plus before the variable name, so you can put plus plus I. And in this instance, by putting this on a separate line, the result is the same. It doesn't matter. But the difference is one's pre-increment and decrement, one's post-increment and decrement. Pre is when it's before the variable name, post is when it's after the variable name. The difference is, if it's pre, it will run before that particular line of code is run. If it's after, it will run that line of code, and then it will run the post increment or decrement. Let's just show you that visually in play. So we have I, let's run it. You get a result of 100, it hasn't changed. So if we put plus plus, you might think you're going to get 101. You're going to get 100. The reason you're going to get 100 is because it runs the line and then increments it. But if we do plus plus here, plus equals plus plus, we get 101 because first it did the increment, then it did the other line, which was, the rest of the line, which was basically just printing it out to the screen so we can see it. The same with minus minus as well, so you just want to be a little aware of this. And this is a feature, obviously, because you might want it to run before, you might want it to run after. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystem.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or just directly message us via YouTube, or the required links for source code will also be in the description. In the next tutorial, we'll be looking at relation and comparison operators. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.